As we go forward with our land, we had to make a decision on purchasing a mini excavator. So follow along with us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out our progress.
Hey guys, this is a snapshot. We saw the property that we bought. This is the machine we're going to have to clear it. I worked on machines when I was younger. Still remember how to operate them. This is a Sany 35. They call it a mini excavator. This is a 4-ton, I think it is. We're checking it out. Hopefully to bring it home Friday. I have it here for PA for a few months. And then we'll head down to Arkansas to start clearing the land. Stay tuned, show you how she works. She's a beast. She's an SY35U. I'll tell you more about her later. Today we're just checking her out, making sure she's good to go. We got 2 buckets. We have some other attachments coming later. So stay tuned. Get a first look at the Sany. Some recently haven't even seen it fully. Talk to you later. Snapshot out.
There's so many companies to pick from. You have Kubota, Komatsu, Caterpillar, JCB, John Deere, and also multiple Asian brands. So Snapshot had a lot to research to try to figure out which one we were going to go with. There's basically 2 reasons why we've chose Sany. First is that they have a 5-year warranty, which is more than other brands, and some brands don't even offer any warranty. And then second, Sany had a promotion, and that promotion was, I think, about $10,000 off the original price. So that's a lot of money. So we had to jump on that deal.
Oh, you know what? Sit right here by the bucket here.
I'm not even sure where you switch the controls on this one.
Oh, they're over here. We went through that whole war thing. We went through the whole thing trying to find it. Where was it?
That's why I just looked there.
That was over here. Oh, what? Right there.
Find it there?
Yep, right there. Oh, we went through that.
Oh, shit. Wow, they got that in there pretty deep.
Yeah. What is it on cat control now?
It's on John Deere right now. I don't know which one you're going to like, but
Probably.
I can't run that one.
Oh, you can't do it?
I need to run cat. John, so...
It makes that much of a difference, huh?
Yeah, do you have a backhoe or no?
Yeah.
So, This is the controls that you're probably gonna like because
Cat?
no, John Deere.
Right.
That's what that normally is.
Yeah. So it really makes that much of a difference, huh?
Yeah, for me, yeah.
Wow. That's the controller switch from John Deere to Cat. It's weird the way they got it, though.
Yeah, not for a big-handed guy.
Mm-hmm. Want me to get a pair of pliers or something?
No, that's okay. I mean, I could get it off like that, but if you were filming, I would like to be a little more smooth with it. Let me grab something.
Now you can switch the controls to this, what they call a John Deere control or a Cat. You got some people that have been running Cat, which is Caterpillar machinery, excavators, backhoe and stuff, and it's a major problem for them to step right into one that have John Deere control, because the controls are basically opposite of each other. So in the Sany, they got a switch where you can switch it to either John Deere or Cat. I'm used to the excavators, which is mainly a John Deere control. Backhoes. So once he gets finished doing what he's got to do, we're going to switch him back to the John Deere settings. But he's having a hard time even just dropping the bucket. So he's going to switch it to Cat, and then once he goes over the stuff with me, he'll switch it back to John Deere. Now, the thing I wanted to find out, this here works the grapple? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay, up and down.
Did he show you how to use the quick connect?
Semi, that's how I want to go over again.
Okay. It doesn't matter. He can use it up and down. Now, when he is digging, he's going to want that down on the ground because that'll prevent him from swaying back and forth. So it just gives you a lot more stability.
Now, quick connect. We got to go into the controls.
All right, so you have the hydraulic quick connect?
Right.
They sent the wrong man for this one.
So you go here in the controls.
There you go.
Right here?
Yep. And then, so I don't know if it's a lock.
Okay, how to
So
get
it's
it in the lock?
Yeah, hit that one. Actually hit back.
Okay, go back. Okay, where we was. Okay, I guess this is enter. Yeah, there we go.
Now that they dropped off the machine, Snapshot's out here practicing taking down some of these small trees in preparation to the bigger ones in Arkansas.
Okay, we are just receiving our SY35U. We decided to get our own instead of renting or hiring someone else to clear the land. I have worked on these machines half of my life and operated them a little bit. It's going to take me a while to get used to it again because I haven't touched one in years. But like I said, it's an investment in us and an investment on the property. We decided to get our own. Sany, we decided to go with them, number one, because of their warranty. We got a great warranty, 5 years. And we found a good dealer right by us that sells them, and we got a good rapport with them. Like I told you before, even when you're buying the RVs, find you a local dealer that you get a good rapport with, and you'll get a lot more done that way. So we did the same with the Sany. Found someone with a great rapport. We're going to be putting the name of the place up on the side here where you can see. But they decided they delivered it for us for free and everything. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned to see the progress we make here in PA and also at our land in Arkansas. See how Quick Snapshot learns this machine and what he does. And if you're looking for a mini excavator, take a look at Sany. You'll be pleasantly surprised, just like we were. And as always, thanks for watching. Be safe, enjoy your journey, and we hope to see you out on the road.